Choosing the wrong kitchen faucet can make everyday tasks harder, slow down your workflow, and leave your kitchen looking outdated. The right faucet doesn't just look great, it saves time, improves efficiency, and makes your kitchen easier to use. In this video, we'll cover the 3 key things you need to focus on: installation, features, and style, so you can pick the perfect faucet with confidence. Step 1. Installation type. First, understand how the faucet is installed. Kitchen faucets are either deck-mounted or wall-mounted. Deck-mounted faucets are installed through holes in the sink or countertop and are the most common option. Wall-mounted faucets attach to the wall behind the sink and usually require 2 or 3 installation holes. 3-hole models need openings for the spout and each handle, while wall-mounted bridge faucets typically require 2 holes. Deck-mounted faucets generally need 1 to 3 holes, and adding accessories like a side spray or built-in soap dispenser may increase that number. If you're replacing an existing faucet without remodeling, choosing the same installation type and hole configuration makes installation easier. You can also switch from a 3-hole deck-mounted faucet to a 1-hole model by using an escutcheon plate, which covers extra holes and is often provided by manufacturers. Step 2. Features and function. Next, focus on the features that make daily tasks easier. Pull-down faucets are great time savers because the spray head extends, allowing you to reach every corner of the sink or fill items like a coffee pot on the countertop. Models with multiple spray settings let you switch from a powerful cleaning spray to a gentler stream for delicate tasks, like watering plants. Magnetic docking helps keep the spray head securely in place when not in use. Touch and touchless faucets are also popular for maintaining cleanliness and improving hygiene. Pre-rinse faucets, often seen in commercial kitchens, feature a high arc design that makes filling large pots easy and delivers a powerful spray for heavy cleanup. Their industrial look also adds a distinctive design element.
Step 3. Style and design.
Finally, consider the overall style. A kitchen faucet should match your design theme and finish color. Whether your kitchen is traditional, modern, industrial, or somewhere in between, sorting by design style helps narrow options quickly. The right finish and shape not only improve aesthetics, but also help create a cohesive look throughout your kitchen space. Now you know the 3 key things to focus on when choosing a kitchen faucet. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more smart tips to make your kitchen upgrades easier and more effective.